All right, welcome to Yaara. This is the very first video of getting you onboarded to Yaara, making sure that you're optimizing your plan. This is for the free accounts, and I just want to make sure you guys get the most value out of this program that we created here for Yaara, an AI-based text generating tool. We're very excited about it. I think the free plan's awesome if you are someone who doesn't really write much copy, so if you're just writing your daily emails, if you're just writing a few social posts here and there, this is a great tool, a great plan for you. So congratulations. So what does the plan consist of? So as you kind of seen, you've got a total of credits of 3,000. And like I've said, like if you don't write that much, you should never go over this. But if you find that you are, I highly recommend just going up one tier. It's only 16 bucks USD, 25 Canadian for me. But I hope you guys, let's just get right into it and we can start optimizing your account here. So I want to start from the dashboard. Here you're going to get usually what is happening, what's new on the platform. You're going to get welcome, good morning, and then document AI. That's our newest tool on the platform. And there you're going to be seeing like what's the newest thing that's happening on Yaara. And just below that, your favorite tools. Pretty explanatory. So when you go into your tools, there's going to be like these stars right here, and you can press that, and it's going to favorite. So every time you log in, you're going to come to your dashboard, and your favorite tools are going to be right here. For me on my account, basically what I have set up is I'll show you the tools I got. So I do a lot of social media. So I do the photo post captions, and I do fix the grammar. And then I go to the dashboard, and every time I log into my phone especially, they're right there ready for me to use. It's amazing. I love the favorite tool. It's highly recommend using it. Don't go into tools every single time. Search favorite your tools. And then just to finish off the dashboard, we have our updates. Join our Facebook group. In there, you're going to be able to talk to the founders who created Yaara. They're going to be asking you questions about the platform, how to make it better, because they're the real developers behind this. And they're just looking for ways to encourage you to write better on the internet. So join our Facebook group. It's free, and it's just an amazing place to meet other people, right? Share your work. So I highly encourage you to do the things on Yaara because it's going to make your experience 10 times better. So we're going to go into tools. So this is probably where you're going to spend maybe 70% of your time in these tools here on Yaara. So there's a lot of tools here as we kind of scroll down, but please don't be overwhelmed. Basically, what you could do is look at the top here and figure out what do you want to do today. So if it's social media, click the social media tab, and it has all these social media templates, tools. And then if you want to do some brainstorming, we have one tool for brainstorming, business and product name. If you have a book coming out, we got books. You need blog stuff. Basically, this is it. But what you're going to start to realize as you start your free trial, most of these things can be used for other things on the internet. For example, the carousel post can be used for LinkedIn as well. The Facebook ad headlines can also create very amazing website headlines as well. So you kind of have to think outside the box of, okay, headline, maybe it doesn't just have to be Facebook, but like let's try it out. So if we go into Facebook and we type in, what is my product name? So we do Yaara.ai, and we're an AI powered copywriter for people who write on the internet. Cool. And so basically what we could think about is like, okay, this can be a Facebook ad headline, but this could also be a website copy headline if it's good enough. You know what I mean? And I found this mindset change around not being too specific around the templates really eye-opening for me, because that got me to try different templates and figure out how the AI could give me the right output, basically. So let's see here. So yeah, it's very generic, but you know that could be a good headline, right? Okay, so that was a slight thing that I've learned over the many months of using this program. I just wanted you guys to come in with the mindset of. So if we start favoriting these right here, something else I want you to pay attention to is if you want to create like your own workflow, start favoring your workflow so you can not have to be looking and scattering through here. You basically can create your workflow by favoriting everything, and everything's going to be in here that you need. You don't need the rest of this stuff. And I find that super helpful when you just want to find the template you're looking for and just start using it. Cool. So in just a few moments, we're just going to go into the templates and show you how to use them and how to be really successful in using them. So if you want to earn free credits, this is, since you're on the paid plan, there might be some months where you run out of credits. So come to this tab and figure out what you could do. So the easy ones are Trustpilot. You just go leave a detailed review of Yaara after a week, or maybe after your first impression. Just go leave a review and you'll get 1,000 credits. Just a reminder, you have 3,000 each month, so 1,000 could go a long way. Or if you publish your blog, if you want to go and publish your blog, and encouraging people to and showing people about Yaara and telling people about Yaara in a blog format and writing a blog for us, that would be 2,000 credits. That's amazing. Or you could publish your own 5-minute YouTube video, which it would be interesting. I'd like to see who takes the challenge to do that. And there's also TikToks. Publish your own TikTok short about Yaara. And then there's an Instagram story. And then there's Facebook. Cool. Awesome. So highly recommend checking that out. If you at any point think that we could be adding something, or if you just want to kind of see like what the community wants to be added, come check out the features request. There you're going to be able to put in your input into the system, and we're going to read it and we're going to see what you would like. There's tons of templates out there in the world, so basically we have to prioritize our time. So in this system, you're going to be able to vote on what we need to build next and what's the most demanded template. Sound good? Cool. All right, we're going to go back. So Documents Pro, with your free account, you do have a 30-day free trial with this, and I'll just do it right now. So basically what Documents is, you start a new document, and it's amazing. You put in your title, and so I'm going to put a title of How to Get Started with Yaara. And the description, you're going to put in a description. This is super important when you're putting in any type of AI information. If you put in too little information into Yaara, you won't get the good outputs. So you kind of have to be a little descriptive in some respect of what you want it to say, but just generically enough that you don't stress yourself that you're like, oh my god, like I can't believe I have to think so hard about what I want to say. Why can't I just write it? Just like put in the bare minimum and see what comes out, and if it's not enough, if it's not good enough, just keep adding, and just keep slowly adding. Don't stress yourself too much in the subscription part. But I want to show how a free account can get started on Yaara.ai and show them how to optimize their account. Cool. Oops. Oops, it was right. There we go. Cool. And just like that, Yaara will start writing a blog or a document about this topic. You just keep pressing it, and it'll just create one for you. How cool is that? See? And you can do this with any topic. To kind of give you the backstory about how Yaara works is that Yaara has learned all the information on the internet all the way up to 2021, I believe. We are updating that frequently. But basically, if you put in a topic, it's going to scatter the internet about that topic and gain all information and put it into a document for you based off your description. That's basically what it does. And I think that's really cool. So that's kind of the document part, and that is a part of our pro plan. So you go into tools, and we're going to be doing, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the tools. It's kind of like documents, but this is the last thing I want to show you guys before you guys get on your journey. Just for example, so Abracadabra, this is for starter and growth plans. Oh, you guys don't have access to that, so sorry. You guys have Email Genie, and it's a premium feature, but you could get access. To kind of show you guys what this is about is if you need to reply to any emails, you put in the email here, and then you put in the recipient's name. So this is Paul, and then generate an email based off that received email. Cool. So you have that compose function, but before you do that, basically you want to come up to your identity, you want to put in your marketing role, your company, and company description, and then go to template. And we have all these templates of like what type of email you're going to be sending out. We have a good amount of templates here: salary increase request, fundraising outreach. These are amazing when you just don't know how to properly write what you want to say. I find that, you scatter the net, like how to say this, and I find it's just like too hard to think about it when you could just let AI just write out the structure and then adapt and tweak it out. So you pick maybe it's a self-introduction, and we turn off this because it's not a reply, and my name is Tyson. Boom. And then we can generate an email based off that. And there we go. Isn't that crazy? So I love this template, especially when we're introducing new people to the company. Like, I just want to introduce myself really quickly. I would definitely go over this and see if it's true, and add anything I'd like them to know about me, especially if it's like someone personal. Cool. Awesome. Okay, so the last thing I kind of want to show you is kind of the rule, like what's inside these templates. So let's pick let's do YouTube video titles. Nope, we're gonna do a different one. Let's do ad copy headline. Nope, we're not doing that one either. Analogy maker, blog. I want something with tone. Yes. Perfect. So the blog topic. So basically what you want to do is, like I've said over and over again, is make sure you are putting in enough information for the AI to grasp what you want to say, because it's going to add a lot of context to what the output is. So you want to give it enough context. So if you don't put in enough context, it's going to add context and it's not going to be right. And so basically what you want to do is add context to what you want to say. And then it'll be highly accurate. So how to write better on the internet. So that's my blog topic, and copywriters and the tone. And I want to be bold. And then generate AI. Boom. And you have a general template of like what you could be using for your blog. I find this so helpful for when, your boss wants you to write a blog about something and you just need an outline. So you get this. You could probably use this, but it just won't be enough. But you could start from here. So guys, this is the free plan. I don't think I left anything out, but I think you guys will have a lot of fun exploring this program. Just keep with it. Just keep trying out new templates, see what it does, see how it can apply to your scenario. I think you guys will see a lot of success with this, and you'll start surprising people with the ideas that you bring to the table now, with the way you say things. I sure have definitely have with my clients. It's a lot of fun just giving them a list of different headlines right off the spot, just because I have AI in my back pocket. Usually we'd have to sit there and change out a word, and it would take forever, and we only get like three different headlines. Whereas with the AI, I got like 10, and it's just amazing. It's a totally different way of brainstorming ideas. So I hope you guys have fun with this program. If you have any questions, please reach out. This is the last thing I wanted to talk about. If you need help with anything, go to the bottom right here, right underneath my chat box. I'm just going to switch this over. Right here to my right. And if you want to learn how to use like abracadabra, or see and how to use any of these templates, just type it in here. And if you need to ask us any questions, just send it right here, and we'll get notified right away when you send something. And that'll be awesome. There we go, all done. So have fun. Congratulations, welcome to Yaara, and can't wait to see what you could do. See you in the Facebook group.